How can you make a woman feel desire for you, even when she appears completely uninterested? Hi, I'm Lauren, and today we're diving into something that most men never really understand. You know that situation when you're talking to a woman who seems incredible, but the attraction from her side just isn't there? You try being nice, you try giving her attention, yet the more effort you put in, the more distance seems to develop between you. What most men fail to realize is this: you're probably not doing the wrong things, you're simply doing the right things in the wrong order. Attraction doesn't develop the same way logic does. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 psychological triggers that genuinely create desire. And I should warn you now, the last one is extremely powerful. It can shift everything quickly, and almost nobody applies it the right way. Before we continue, there's something important you need to understand. This was never something you were taught. Nobody explained it while you were growing up. School never covered it. Society never taught it. Female attraction isn't based on logic. It's driven by emotion. While you were trying to demonstrate that you'd make a good partner through words and reasoning, her deeper mind was evaluating completely different signals without you even noticing. Studies in evolutionary psychology suggest that attraction often comes from mental shortcuts. These are deeply rooted patterns that the brain reacts to automatically. Once you understand them, you stop chasing, you stop forcing outcomes. You naturally become the type of man women feel compelled to pursue. Let's begin with the first trigger: masculine presence. This has nothing to do with muscles or physical appearance. It's about energy. When you walk into a room, do you occupy space confidently, or do you quietly make yourself smaller? Women pick up on this within seconds. A man who moves calmly, who isn't in a hurry, who doesn't constantly seek approval from others, sends a powerful signal without saying a word. He communicates value through his presence alone. That grounded energy is uncommon, and rarity creates attraction much faster than words ever will. Imagine you're at a social gathering or a bar. Instead of nervously scanning the room, you relax. Your shoulders stay back, your breathing becomes steady. You observe your surroundings without anxiety. That simple adjustment changes the way women perceive you. Her subconscious radar activates. She senses something different. Not because you're trying harder, but because you're more centered within yourself. The second trigger is emotional challenge. Most men agree with everything a woman says. They avoid tension because they think it's negative. But tension isn't conflict, it's fuel for attraction. When you playfully disagree or lightly tease her, you create polarity, and polarity creates magnetism. For example, she says she loves getting up early. Instead of instantly agreeing, you smile and say, "Really? You seem more like a snooze button professional." It's playful rather than rude. That small challenge demonstrates confidence. You're not afraid to express your own perspective. You're not trying to impress her. You're engaging with her. That's what creates spark. Attraction requires contrast, not endless agreement. If this is making sense so far, hit the like button. It helps more men discover what nobody ever taught them. The third trigger is selective attention. This is where many men lose control. They offer too much attention too quickly. Immediate replies, canceling plans, being available all the time. The female mind often interprets this as low value. A man who has options isn't constantly available. You need to be engaging, but you also need interests beyond her. Purpose is attractive. When you have goals, hobbies, friendships, and a clear direction in life, your time becomes valuable. You stop revolving around her world. That naturally sparks curiosity. She's drawn toward a man with a full life rather than someone who abandons everything for attention. Scarcity creates interest, not games, just balance. The fourth trigger is intentional listening. Not simply hearing her words, but remembering what they mean.